Well, greetings to the Families USA Annual Health Action Conference. Thank you so very much for allowing me to be here with you. First, I want to recognize two inspiring advocates for health justice. Thank you, Laura Guerra Cardis, for doing the hard work of fighting for Medicaid expansion all across our country. And to fellow Georgian Jenny Castillo, your dedication to educating and building trust with marginalized communities to get every Georgian vaccinated in the midst of this pandemic is inspiring, and it is proof positive of the American spirit. Long before the people of Georgia voted to make me their first Black senator, I had another title, the same as you, advocate and citizen. I've been on the front lines, urging leaders to close the coverage gap in non-expansion states for a long time. I believe deeply in the words of Dr. King when he said that of all the injustices, inequality in healthcare is the most shocking and the most inhumane. That's why in 2017, I came to the Capitol not as a senator, but as a citizen. I was arrested right down the hall from where my office now sits, protesting an immoral budget which would have taken away health care away from the most vulnerable among us. And at that time, I urged us by saying that America is better than this. And by using our collective voice, we proved that indeed we are. That's why I am so proud of the work we're doing right now to try to close the Medicaid coverage gap, to provide free and affordable health care for 4 million Americans, including the more than 640,000 Georgians who are in the coverage gap. Know that I am dedicated to putting this across the finish line. Additionally, I've been working hard to bridge the healthcare gaps many mothers across the country face. We've been putting forward legislation like the Kira Johnson Act, which directly addresses the maternal mortality crisis confronting women of color. And we've been working across the aisle with Florida Senator Marco Rubio to introduce the Improving Coordination for Healthy Moms Act and the Maternal Health Quality Improvement Act, which will bolster the federal government's response to the maternal health crisis. I've also authored the Capping Prescription Costs Act, which will help families and individuals save money on their medications. I believe that healthcare is a human right. So know that when it comes to working to protect and expand access to affordable, quality healthcare, you will always have a champion in me. Thank you so much for the work that you do. Keep the good fight going. Keep getting in good trouble. Keep the faith and keep looking up.